Crawllander. Today we're going to be talking about essentials that you need when out snow wheeling to keep your adventure safe, fun, and get you home. First and most important thing that we recommend bringing is a friend. Not go out wheeling alone. If you do go out wheeling alone, we definitely have additional recommendations for you. The next thing we recommend having is a good set of tires. There's multiple options you can choose from here. It's all personal preference. Our buddy Todd running KO2s from BFG in a size 37. These are 3 snowflake rated, so they're great for winter. It's an all-terrain tire. Excellent choice. On our rigs, we run a set of Milestar Patagonia MTO2s. So we run a mud terrain tire. They're not triple snowflake rated. However, we do enjoy the performance that they give us in the snow. We run them in a 38 on an Icon interlocking bead wheel. Another good option for you to have while you're out wheeling in the snow, in case you get into deep snow or ice, tire chains. You see here, we have a set of tire chains for 38-inch tire. We don't actually own a set of tire chains. We borrowed these from our buddy Brett Davis from the Utah Off-road recovery team. I've used his tire chains a couple of times on past recoveries. Definitely an invaluable thing to have, which we are in the process of having some 38s made for ourselves. Next on our list of things would be recovery gear. You need to be able to self-recover if you're not out with your buddy. We recommend carrying at least a shovel and max tracks, which we have over here. We have 4. At a minimum, always carry 2. We carry 4. These can also be used as a shovel to build bridges, or like you said, just to gain additional traction if you get stuck. On the side of our truck, mounted in the box, is where we keep the rest of our recovery gear. This is pretty much useless if you're not with a buddy. That's why we recommend having the other things for self-recovery. But this is where we keep our soft shackles, our hard shackles, and other recovery ropes, minus our K-rope, which we keep in the bed in a different box. K-rope is a kinetic rope to help use momentum for recoveries in stuck situations. Another thing we recommend having with you is rations. We always carry extra food, water for ourselves and for other people in case we run across other people out in the wild or out in the snow that need help, or if we're going out to help somebody. We have our Dometic fridge that we keep full of drinks, a little bit of food. We also have an emergency ration box in the middle, hard to get to right now, but we also have an emergency ration box in the middle full of dehydrated food, Mountain House meals, as well as fuel for our jet boil to heat them up. Another thing you definitely need to have while you're out off-roading, whether it be in the snow or just at any time, is a good first aid kit. We get ours from MyMedic. They make a great kit with refillable products. It's easy to order and easy to maintain. Along with having a first aid kit, it's good to have for those minor cuts and scrapes. But the best thing you can have along with your first aid kit is proper training. Don't just get a first aid kit and think you can save somebody's life. Each of these devices in here are used in a specific way, so always seek out proper training on wilderness survival, first aid, and CPR. Another thing that we have in certain specific situations, not necessarily something you need for snow wheeling, but we always have a tent with us. Inside our tent, if we got stranded, we carry extra blankets for if we need to get warm or anything like that. We always can open this up, set up our buddy heater, and keep ourselves warm inside the tent if we needed to. Another essential item to have while you're out on the trail wheeling, snow wheeling, or at any time is a good communication device. We use the Yaesu FTM 400. We also have a ham license, so we use a ham radio more than anything due to the versatility, the APRS tracking, and the ability to speak at long ranges. We've talked to people well over 50 miles away. We also carry a handheld device. It's also a handheld radio from Baofeng that we can use if we are away from our vehicle. Another device we also have with us is our OnX. We use OnX Off-road in order to map and route our trips. That way we can also share the places we're going to be with friends and family. That way, if we're not back at a designated time or haven't checked in, they know approximately what area we're in. And that's just a few of the things that we recommend bringing with you when out snow wheeling in order to make it back home to your family safe and not be stuck out in the cold all night. What do you recommend? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below of anything you might add to your kit.